Welcome back to Gori's Gossip, where the weather is beautiful and the picnic guests are already excited. Today, we planned a peaceful spring picnic, but someone has already begun the snack inspection.
And of course, one guest has claimed the entire picnic area like royalty. Sing, you just need to love it. Love the pup top sing, and swim profession and smusted.
Meanwhile, someone else is stealing snacks. And pretending it's part of the picnic experience.
This was supposed to be a relaxing spring picnic, but it's turned into a full-scale fluffy scandal. This has been Gori's Gossip, Spring Edition.